Hello everyone, myself Tiyasha. Welcome back to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I am showing you how to make a dancing girl's feet. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. At first, you need a canvas board. Here I am using 30 into 30 cm canvas board. I made it at home. Link is in description. Then I sketch a freehand image of a dancing girl's feet. You can also trace it. Then I colored it with a skin color. Then take red acrylic color and design the feet. In Bengali, we call it alta. Then I make some polka dot with dot art tools to decorate the feet. So today is World Dance Day. Happy World Dance Day to all of you. I am really adore of dance. So I drawing this image to tribute all dancers. Then take a black permanent marker and make detailing of anklet. Add more detailings with dot art tools. Now take black acrylic color and make some outline with a zero size brush. You can also do it with permanent marker. After that, don't forget to apply varnish to make your art waterproof and long lasting. Lastly, take original ghungru and stick it with hot glue gun. It is totally optional, you can skip it. And the final look is Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates.